Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making baked kale chips. So here I have kale leaves. I already washed and dried them with the paper towels before making the video, and also I removed the stems. So those are just leaves cut into pieces. And for the seasonings, I'll just use simple salt. You can use any seasonings you like. And I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil so they're crispier. If you'd like them to be oil-free, you can omit the oil. It's up to you. So now I'm going to add a little bit of oil and sprinkle the chips with salt. And now toss the leaves so they're coated with oil and seasonings. And now I'm going to put it on a baking sheet. And distribute them so they're in a single layer. And now I will put it in the oven. So before making this video, I preheated the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's put it in a preheated oven. And bake until crispy. Now the chips are done baking, so let me take them out. Look, they're perfectly done and crispy. So good. Let me take them out. And I'm going to transfer them from the baking sheet. I'm gonna move them to the bowl, so I'll just grab the parchment paper. Perfect. So these kale chips are so crispy. It's going to be your favorite way to eat kale. So just 20 minutes in the oven. It was so simple. Now let's try it. So crunchy, so delicious. This is so good. And you can eat so much kale in one sitting when it's in the form of chips. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!